just get your Stryker Tactical flashlight in the mail. I just wanted to do a review on it. It comes all packaged with a attachment for just regular flashlight use. Go ahead and take that off. I won't be using this as a regular flashlight. Then you take two CR1238 batteries or one 18650 battery. Put that in. You screw it in. It's good to go. Now, we're obviously going to be mounting this to a gun. So it comes with the Allen wrench you'll need and a 1-inch offset picatinny weaver mount. Really simple. You just go ahead and loosen these 4 screws up here. Real simple. It even has a thumb screw here to adjust for different rail sizes. Once you have that done, it's pretty simple. You just screw that on. For time's sake of the video, I've already got it set up here. It also comes with 2 elastic Velcro type straps. So those are pretty cool. So what I've done is I've got the Magpul guard on here. So for sake of the video, I went ahead and already mounted this on here. But it's pretty simple. This just has a thumb screw. Makes it so simple just to put it back in the case if you're going to be traveling with it. Then you just slap it over your rail, and then you just tighten it on with the thumb screw, and it's on there pretty tight. I mean, that's real tight. The other cool thing is it comes with these 2 straps. So most guns, the lights come with double-sided tape, a huge thick pad, a ridiculous amount of wire, and a universal attachment. Problem is, what is it on now? Like a laser? Okay. I want something else than a laser. Oh wait, we have to push a button, and then I can try it again. Wait. Okay, so now we got laser and light. Wait, I want the light. Give me the light. Oh, not that light. Wait, bad guy. Sorry. Try to get the right light. Oh, nothing. Oh man. Now I've got the light. Alright, now I can get you. See, that's just super complicated. It looks awful. What am I supposed to do with this? Do I just tape it right there? And then what? You got this long dangling cord here. How about that gets like caught on something, or it just looks awful. So with our design here, it's thin. The cable on it is real nice. So depending on where you put it, I've chose to put mine up top because I like the 1-inch offset. I just mounted mine like that. Just put the strap on. Just to kind of keep this cable situated here. Okay, so that's there. Okay. Actually, you can do whatever you want, but I like mine like this. So you got one strap there holding that on. Okay. Make it look all nice. Then what I do, man, I need some water. Talking too much today. I like to make an X over this. Make an X. Tighten it over real tight. Okay, so now that looks way better than that. You gotta admit. I mean, apples to apples, not every flashlight's the same. I mean, they kind of look the same in the pictures online, but not the same in person. That looks super nice. You can actually look through the optic with your hand just right here and just boom, light every time. And it's bright. You're just squeezing your grip on your foregrip. No tape, no nonsense. Straps, secures, all get out. I mean, this is like the way to go. So, boom, need a light, you got the grip. You know, it's like, it's the way to go. So now just way easier, you know, and you can take it on and off whenever you want. Now, to see it at night, I'll show you the difference. This is our light. You ready? Here's the other guys. Okay? So this is theirs. And this is ours. Which one's brighter? You tell me. 300 lumens? Can't even tell that one turned off. This is so awful. Now mine's going on. Boom. 2200 lumens. Okay, guys. Which circle is bigger? Okay? It's not rocket science. This one's way better. Here's the other guys. 1000 lumens. Okay? 1000 lumens. 2200 lumens. Which one's better? Okay? This one's way better. And it's way cooler. I mean, I can grip this no problem. It looks better. It's nicer. Way better gun. Okay?